Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best kitchen tongs that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have StarPak Basic Silicone Kitchen Tongs. Here comes the best-selling and high-quality silicone kitchen tongs that you can find in the market. It is designed with a comfortable handle that offers a perfect grip for safety. Other than that, it is made with extra thick 1.00mm stainless steel that makes it durable, thus serving you for a long time. It is safe and healthy for your family as it won't rust, melt or flake into your food. The kitchen tongs is versatile and it's an essential kitchen utensil. At the same time, it's made with silicone and the non-stick tip does not scratch your cookware. It's 100% BPA free and has heat resistance up to 480 degrees F. Above all, you will be satisfied with your purchase. Moving on at number 4, we have StarPak Home High Heat Resistant Silicone Kitchen Tongs. These amazing kitchen tongs are really innovative and smart. It has been safety tested and it is guaranteed to be 100% BPA free and it will not rust, melt or flake into your food. Ideally, these tongs are constructed with 1.00mm extra thick stainless steel to make them durable and have a ring pull locking system to make them compact and easy to store. The heads are made with high-quality FDA-grade silicone that is heat-resistant and non-stick friendly to protect your cookware. These silicone kitchen tongs feature a comfortable grip for you to have great control. It is also built to last and the company offers a full refund or replacement if you found any defect. At number 3, we have Silicone Kitchen Tongs Cooking Set. The Kitchen Silicone Kitchen Tongs is constructed from stainless steel and food-grade silicone that is BPA free. With its smooth ring pull locking mechanism, this makes you close the tongs for easy storage. In addition to that, the appliance is fast and simple to clean and they are dishwasher safe. The 12 and 9-inch tongs will offer perfect reach to flipping, frying, gripping hot foods and barbecue grilling. The 7-inch tongs can be used to stirring vegetables and salad. The tongs are lightweight and are strong and super sturdy, thus you can use them to grasp roasted chicken without fear. On top of that, the tongs will never damage your enameled cast iron pans and it is heat safe up to 450 degrees. At number 2, we have Hot Target Set. If tongs are your preferred kitchen tool, then Hot Target non-stick kitchen tongs are a great option for you. It's made of resistant 304 stainless steel that is corrosion resistant and offers unbeatable strength while remaining lightweight for easy handling. Other than that, this kitchen tongs is heat resistant and non-stick, making it perfect for turning large meat cuts when barbecuing. Additionally, this kitchen tongs features a non-stick silicone head that is heat resistant up to 480 degrees F. The kitchen appliance is easy to clean and has a hanging ring pull mechanism that will enable convenient storage and air drying. Moreover, the non-detachable heads will prevent any chance of buildup of bacteria. And finally at number 1, Dragon Premium Set. The Dragon Premium Kitchen Tongs have been made from high-quality brushed stainless steel, making them ideal for barbecue, grilling, and cooking needs. It is very easy to use and it has non-slip handles that ensure a comfortable grip all the time. In addition to that, this kitchen tongs will ensure safety as it is made with heat-resistant handle and this prevents any risk of burns on your hands. These kitchen tongs are easy to clean and it is dishwasher safe. Moreover, it comes in 2 sizes, 12 inches and 9 inches long, thus it will make you easily lift or flip hot food when you are at a safe distance. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.